Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Cardano by the end of 2025. Cardano, Solana, XRP. As far as robots go, Perplexity is feeling pretty bullish on XRP, Solana and Cardano. Web3 journalist, Tim Hakki. Web3 journalist, Tim Hakki. About author. A journalist and copywriter with a decade's experience across music, video games, finance, and tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. August 7, 2025. With Bitcoin maintaining a challenge to its recent all-time high, Perplexity AI is feeling bullish about several prominent altcoins, suggesting the early stages of a bull market may be underway. Bitcoin surged to a new record high of $122,838 last month, sparking renewed excitement among analysts who believe this rally could serve as the catalyst for broader global crypto adoption. In a major regulatory update, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, recently introduced Project Crypto, a landmark policy initiative aimed at updating securities regulations to better fit the industry. SEC Chairman Paul S. Atkins referred to it as a cornerstone of the agency's alignment with President Trump's ambition to establish the United States as the world leader in crypto. As a result, despite some market stagnation, optimism is surging again. Many believe the next major bull wave could eclipse the peaks reached during the 2021 rally. Here are 3 leading altcoins that stand to benefit the most, according to Perplexity. XRP, Ripple. Perplexity AI sees 200% growth potential by late 2025. Perplexity AI says Ripple's XRP, $XRP, could reach approximately $9 by Q4 2025, a nearly 200% increase from its present valuation of around $3.07. The projection follows a strong performance over recent weeks. On July 18, XRP reached a new high of $3.65, topping its previous peak from 2018. Although the price has since declined by around 16%, the token has posted a 34% gain over the past month, outshining both Bitcoin and most leading altcoins. Much of the bullish sentiment stems from increasing legal clarity and the possibility of an XRP spot ETF, which could attract traditional capital from risk-averse traditional finance, TradFi, investors. XRP, designed for fast and cost-efficient cross-border payments, received an endorsement from the UN Capital Development Fund in 2024, further legitimizing its global remittance use case, as Ripple realized its mission to replace SWIFT. Ripple's lengthy legal battle with the SEC concluded in March 2025, after the agency dropped its lawsuit. A 2023 court ruling had previously clarified that XRP's retail transactions were not securities, marking a major turning point for the token's regulatory status. Should XRP reclaim its all-time high, Perplexity believes it could push well beyond the $5 range, especially if macroeconomic and geopolitical conditions stabilize and regulatory clarity boosts market confidence. Technical signals support a potential consolidation phase. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, has cooled from 86 to 54 but is bouncing back up, indicating fresh investments are accumulating momentum. Over the past year, XRP has surged by 484%, vastly outperforming Bitcoin's 103% return. Solana $SOL ETF buzz could drive price to $500 by year-end 2025, says Perplexity AI. Solana $SOL has reinforced its position as a key player in the smart contract ecosystem, now boasting a market capitalization of over $91.8 billion, supported by growing institutional adoption and developer engagement. Speculation about a potential Solana spot ETF in the U.S. has driven the asset's recent price gains, following the precedent set by Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. Rumors are also circulating from one of President Trump's own proposals on social media that Solana might be included as a hold-only asset in a potential U.S. national crypto reserve, adding further legitimacy to its role in the evolving digital economy. From a technical perspective, SOL has broken through a long-term downward trend. After peaking above $250 in January and bottoming out near $100 in April, the token has rebounded to $170. A descending wedge breakout pattern has analysts anticipating a possible parabolic move. Perplexity AI projects that Solana could climb to $500 by the end of 2025, nearly doubling its previous all-time high of $293.31. That would represent a six-fold return from current prices if market conditions remain favorable. If bullish momentum persists through the summer, Solana may hit $320 by fall, with the potential to exceed Perplexity's upper price range estimate of $500 under ideal circumstances. U.S. regulatory clarity will play a crucial role in shaping Solana's trajectory, particularly as it continues gaining traction in institutional portfolios. Cardano, $ADA Perplexity sees 4x return potential for green blockchain contender. Cardano, $ADA, has risen 30% over the past month as enthusiasm builds for eco-friendly, scalable blockchain platforms. In a notable development, President Donald Trump recently mentioned ADA on Truth Social while proposing the creation of a U.S. strategic crypto reserve. Though Bitcoin was the focal point, ADA was also floated as an asset that the government can hold if it has acquired it through law enforcement seizures. Founded by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson, Cardano has earned recognition for its energy-efficient proof-of-stake model and peer-reviewed approach to development, factors that continue to attract institutional and retail attention alike. Currently trading near $0.7591 with a $27.5 billion market cap, ADA is still considered undervalued relative to its potential. Perplexity forecasts a rise to $2.69 by year-end 2025, which would equate to a 3.5x increase. Technically, ADA has been forming a falling wedge pattern since late 2024. A breakout above the $1.10 resistance could set the stage for a move toward $1.50 by autumn. Hitting the $2.69 target would put ADA just 13% down from its previous 2021 peak of $3.09. Token 6900, meme coin darling, could yield 1,000x gains from pre-sale prices. While the spotlight often shines on large-cap cryptocurrencies, meme coins continue to captivate retail traders with the allure of astronomical returns. One such emerging favorite is Token 6900, T6900, a humor-driven Ethereum-based token that has raised over $1.65 million just 2 weeks into its pre-sale, indicating strong initial interest. T6900 leans fully into meme culture with an ironic twist. Its creators describe it as being powered by delusion, satire, and the collective hallucination of hyper-online investors, forgoing conventional utility in favor of viral appeal. Drawing inspiration from the earlier SPX 6900 meme token, T6900 pokes fun at inflated asset valuations seen in speculative cycles. As a comedic touch, the token supply is set at 930,993,091, exactly one token more than SPX 6900's total, reinforcing its parodic nature. Despite its satirical branding, T6900 offers a staking mechanism that allows holders to earn passive income, encouraging long-term participation amid short-term hype. The current pre-sale price is $0.006875 over on the official site, with the next tier set to activate in less than 48 hours, giving early backers a limited window to lock in lower rates. Keep up to date with the project by following its official X and Instagram accounts. Click here to participate in the pre-sale. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics, Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. XRP price prediction. Japan's first Bitcoin XRP ETF set to launch. Is this the trigger for $100 XRP? XRP price prediction. XRP climbs as Bitcoin stalls. Could $10 come this week? Perplexity AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Cardano by the end of 2025. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Trump's $8.7 trillion 401k crypto plan could trigger XRP explosion to $1,000. 1 day ago, by Alejandro Arich. Altcoin news. XRP surges over 13% after Ripple and SEC drop final appeals in landmark case. 1 day ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. ETH breaks $4,000. Could a new ADH be next? 16 hours ago, by Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 1 day ago, by Inesis Tavares. 13 Best Crypto Presales to Invest in 2025. Presale